Hi, in this video, I will show you how to connect Apify to Claude AI. So the first thing that you'll need to do, open a browser, go to Claude AI, and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So the first thing that you'll need to do, go to the bottom left corner and click on your icon. So once you do so, go and click on settings. Here you'll find yourself right here. So in this left panel, make sure to go and click on connectors and you'll find yourself here. So it seems like connectors have moved to customize. You can just go to there. And once you are here, you can just go and click on the plus button and you can go and click on browse connectors. So once you click on browse connectors here, you can look for Apify. So type Apify and here is it. You can just go and click on it. As you can see, in order to install this extension and connect it to Apify, you will need to get the Claude for desktop to use this extension. So make sure to go and download it. I've already made a video on how to download it into your PC. Make sure to go and check that out. So once you download this into your PC, you should find yourself here. You can do the same. Just go to settings. Again, you can go to connectors, go to customize plus browse connectors and look for Apify again. So once you click on that, you can go and click on install. As you can see, they're telling you that it will be downloaded also on your PC since it's downloaded, since Claude is downloaded into your PC. So you can just go and click on install and you will have to wait for the installation until it's finished. Once it's finished installing, you will find that an API token from Apify is required, so you can create a free account and get your API token on Apify. So basically, you can go back to your browser and make sure to go to apify.com, create your account, get your API key, and simply paste it here and click on save, and the connection will get established. Of course, here they give you the exact login or URL to go to. So you'll need to go to console.apify.com/settings/integrations. And of course, all of that will be available until you create your account. So if you don't have an account yet, you can just go and create one using Google, using GitHub, or just enter in your email the normal way. And as I said, you will need to go to console. So here, just fill up your informations, your username and stuff like that. And here on this left panel, you can go to integrations right away. And you can keep looking for it, or as I said, you can just go to this exact URL. So we can just go to it. So right here, and here are your API. You can just go and click on copy, come here, paste it, click on save, and you should just enable it. And here you are. You are connected to Apify using your Claude AI. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.